Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking Matters. My name is Collin, I'm with the Lost River Market and Deli, and I'm here to present Lesson 2. Alright, we will begin with ingredients. You will need a half a can of black beans, 2 medium-sized zucchinis, a bunch of fresh spinach, a half a can of corn, or you can do an ear of fresh corn, or some frozen corn like this. You'll need 4 ounces of shredded cheddar, a tablespoon of canola oil, which I'm substituting for olive oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons of water, a pinch of ground cayenne pepper, a half teaspoon of ground black pepper, 6 whole wheat tortillas, and some non-stick cooking spray. And this is optional, parsley or cilantro. To prepare this recipe, you will need a grater, a colander to drain your beans and corn, a large mixing bowl to mix the filling of your quesadillas, a spatula to flip your quesadillas, a tablespoon measurer for your oil and water, a large chef knife to chop your various ingredients, a can opener to open your beans and corn, a mixing spatula to mix all of your ingredients, a cutting board to prepare your vegetables, and a skillet to heat up your quesadilla in. Today's recipe for Lesson 2 is black bean and vegetable quesadillas. Each recipe of Cooking Matters covers at least 3 of the 5 My Plate food groups. In today's recipe, we have dairy, which is the cheese. We have vegetables, which is our spinach, zucchini, cilantro, and corn. We have protein, which is our beans, and we have grains, which is our whole wheat tortillas. You can enjoy a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables through meals like this. You can cook down your spinach, your zucchini, and your cilantro and your corn, and put them inside of a tortilla like this with some cheese and beans, and it's a delicious, nutritious meal. When cooking with fruits and vegetables, there's 3 types that you can use. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned. There's pros to cons in each of these. There is your fresh ingredients. These will have the shortest shelf life and the shortest available season, but they will also have the most nutrients. You have frozen vegetables, which will have a relatively long shelf life and almost the same amount of nutrients as fresh ingredients. Then you have canned ingredients. These will be available year-round, and they will also have the least amount of nutrients of the 3. Now, when preparing our meals, it's important to wash our ingredients and so they're safe to eat. We're going to start with our spinach. You'll want to empty your spinach into a colander, and you're just going to rinse your spinach off like this. And then we can grab our bowl and empty our spinach into this bowl. Next, we're going to wash our zucchini. You'll want to run some warm water, just like so. And do one at a time on the zucchinis. Have some towels ready, and you can lay your zucchini onto the towel and let that dry. Next, if you are using cilantro or parsley, you can just go ahead and turn on your own warm water, just like the rest of them. Rinse those gently, shake them off gently, and lay them with your zucchini or spinach to dry. For this next step, we're going to get our can of beans and our can opener. We're going to open the beans and drain them. Once you've broken the seal, you can go ahead and grab that lid. Grab your colander again. Dump your beans into your colander. Rinse off your beans with the warm water. We're going to begin the food prep. You're going to want to grab your zucchinis. Turn the zucchini like this. Slice off each end of the zucchini. Like so. Set those ends aside. Grab a bowl. Put the bowl on your cutting board. Grab your cheese grater, and you're going to get whichever size you want on the grate, and you're going to put it in the bowl like this, and you're going to take your zucchini and carefully shred your zucchini almost to a shredded cheese texture. Next, we're going to chop our spinach, so we'll go ahead and get out our bunch of spinach and bunch it up in your hands like this. Make a compact little mound. Keep your fingers and your thumbs back. You don't want to cut those, you want to keep those. Just kind of rock the knife back and forth until it's all chopped up. Ready to go into your mixture. If you're using cilantro or parsley, now is the time to chop it. I am using cilantro. So go ahead and get that out, lay it on your cutting board. slice off the ends of it. Lay it aside. And we'll just do the same that we did with the spinach. We'll make a nice little firm mound. Keep your fingers and your thumb back. Don't want to lose those. And we'll do the same rocking method with your knife until that is finely chopped. We are now going to shred our cheese. You'll need your cheese grater. Go ahead and set that in your bowl. And I am choosing to use the finer grate on the side to grate the cheese. And you'll just grate that until you have about 4 ounces of cheese. Okay, we have heated a pan to medium-high heat. We're going to add in our tablespoon of oil. Swirl that all around the pan like that. Get it evenly coated. From there, we are going to add in our shredded zucchini. Add that right to the pan with the oil. It's going to sizzle a little bit. We're going to cook this down for about 5 minutes or until the zucchini is tender. While your zucchini is cooking in the pan like this, we're going to go ahead and add in our pinch of cayenne pepper. Once your zucchini is tender, we're going to add in our corn and our spinach. I'm going to let these cook down until they are all tender and the spinach is a little wilty. While this mixture is cooking, we're going to take our beans and take a fork and just mash these beans lightly. We don't want them mashed to a pulp, but we do want them broken up. Alright, I have added in my beans to my mixture. Mine is done here, so I'm going to go ahead and empty it into my heat-proof bowl here. Once your mixture is in the bowl here like this, it is the time to add our cilantro. So you'll get your chopped cilantro and you'll add it to the bowl. And you'll get your mixing spatula and you'll just move it around like this. With your mixture like this, you're going to want to go ahead and add in your black pepper. 2 or 3 cracks should do it. And then you'll go ahead and mix that in, just like this, and it's ready to go in your tortilla. Next, we will want to take our tortilla and spoon out some of our mixture into our tortilla like this, evenly on one side of the tortilla, just one side. Then you'll take some of your cheese that you grated, like this, and top that side. Fold this over, like so. Press it with your spatula. From here, you'll want to take non-stick spray or a little bit more oil, put it in the pan like this, and we're going to take the tortilla and lay it in the pan like this. We're going to cook for about 4 minutes on each side over medium-high heat. Let that tortilla get crispy and the cheese melt inside. Alright, our quesadilla has cooked until it's golden brown on both sides, so we're going to go ahead and take it out. Put it back on our cutting board here. Take our chef's knife and carefully cut this thing in half. Just as so. Serve this on a plate, half like this. Serve with a dollop of low-fat yogurt and substitute of sour cream. Comes out about like this. Very nutritious, lots of vegetables, and it's delicious.